Students, how are you? I hope you are doing fine. Today the topic of our discussion is the multiplication of matrices. With the help of these two examples, I'll show you that how to multiply two matrices. In the first example, A matrix is given as 1, 2, that is 2 by 1 matrix. The order of this matrix is 2 by 1. And B matrix is given as 2, 0, 3, 1. The order of this matrix is 2 by 2. That is, it has 2 rows and 2 columns. First and foremost important condition that is necessary for the multiplication is to check the first number of columns in the first matrix. As you can see that there are 2 columns in the matrix A, and the number of rows in the column in the matrix B is R2. So these two matrices are conformable for the multiplication. How to multiply them? A times B is equal to, write down 1, 2 times 2, 0, 3 and 1. We multiply the first row, that is the only one row, first row of the first matrix with the first column of the second matrix. 1 multiplied by 2, then the plus sign, then 2 multiplied by 3. This will make the first member of the matrix. Now we go for the other one. 1 times 0, we'll leave a space, 1 time 0, then the plus sign, and then 2 times 1. This becomes 2 plus 2 3 is 6, and 1 0 is 0, 2 1 is 2. So the answer is 8, 2. This one has 2 rows and 2 columns. 1 row and 2 columns. The order of this matrix is 1 by 2. Now in this example, we are given with the two matrices of the same order, that is 2 rows and 2 columns. We multiply them. A times B is equals to 1, 3, 2 minus 3 times minus 1, 0, 3 and 2. Now we can see that the number of columns in this matrix are 2 and the number of rows in the other matrix is also 2. So these two matrices can be multiplied. We will multiply first row with the first column, that is 1 multiplied by minus 1, then the plus sign 3 multiplied by 3. Next one is first row, second column. This is the second column, this is first column. First row, second column. 1 multiplied by 0, plus sign 3 times 2. Now the second row, that is 2 minus 3, we have to multiply 2 with the first column of the second matrix. 2 multiplied by 1, that is minus 1, sorry. Then the plus sign, minus 3 times 3. Then comes second row, second column, that is 2 times 0, then the plus sign, minus 3 times 2. We solve it. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1, plus 3 3 is 9, 1 0 is 0, plus 3 2 is 6, and 2 minus 1 multiplied is equals to minus 2. Then minus 3 times minus 3, minus 9, 2 0 is 0, and minus 3 2 is minus 6. The result comes out to be minus 1 plus 9 is 8, 0 plus 6, 6, minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11, and this is minus 6. So this is our required answer, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. I hope you have liked this content. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye.